Hey there, have you ever encountered the problem of not being able to access a specific website on your computer, even though your internet connection is working perfectly fine? It can be quite frustrating, right? Well, today we're going to delve into this common issue and explore a solution to help you get back online smoothly. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key lies in clearing the DNS cache on your computer. DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it translates domain names into IP addresses, allowing your device to connect to websites. By flushing or clearing the DNS cache, you're essentially wiping out any outdated or corrupted information that may be causing the website access issue. To clear the DNS cache on a Windows computer, you'll need to open the command prompt with administrator privileges and type in the command IP protocol configuration flushes. This action will flush the DNS resolver cache, and you should receive a success message once it's done. After that, try accessing a website again and see if the problem has been resolved. In summary, if you're experiencing difficulty accessing a particular website, try clearing the DNS cache on your computer using the command IP protocol configuration flushes. This simple solution can often fix the issue and get you back online in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite website pun.